What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Jahia and I'm getting loaded right now, and we're going to South Carolina. And yeah, I'm excited. I didn't make no breakfast or anything this morning, just really vibing out. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I don't know why my footage is saving. I literally just did my pre-trip. Y'all. We about to go get diesel because I'm not about to redo my pre-trip just to give y'all some content. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? I am absolutely sorry. We got a 9-hour drive. I want you guys to see what I mean. We got a 9-hour drive book yet. And I did my hair. I'm about to go ahead and get diesel. I'm at a truck stop that my company takes. So we're about to get diesel. And yeah, y'all see I be wearing this hoodie all the time because it's my favorite hoodie. Anyway, I'm thirsty. I need something to drink. I need some agua. And yeah, we about to hop on this road. I'm halfway. My diesel is halfway full, so that's what we about to go do. So let's go get something goddamn big. So pretty. I feel like this style is just giving me life. Like, yeah, I look so cute. I mean, how cute do you look? I mean, I look so fine, so fucking pretty. Like, that face card don't decline. That face card, let me tell you something about that face. That face cannot be replaced. Do you hear me? I am one beautiful, beautiful young woman. I am not gonna lie, I am so gorgeous. Sheesh. Sheesh Louise. I am so beautiful, man. So beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful. There is this truck in front of me, and so y'all, I really love my hair. Look at this. I did this yesterday. I braided it, y'all. I got tired of the slick back kind of. Y'all know them slick backs be messing up your girl hair, okay? Them slick backs will literally have you bald headed. So I'm tired of being bald headed. I'm not bald headed, but my hair is really long. But I just want to maintain the thickness of my hair, and I thought these braids would do it for me. Of course, I did this out of the slick back. I didn't wet my hair that much or anything like that. So them braids kind of small, but it's okay. I ain't trying to look cute. I'm trying to look extra cute. Now just swear. I am just kidding. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if y'all do, make sure y'all subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Yeah, I also got a shirt on. I really like this. This is actually a shirt I bought from the terminal. I love the quality. That's why I bought it. The quality is magnificent, amazing quality, and I love stuff with a great quality. Like, I know I can wear this. It has a collar on it, but I don't know how I look. So I'm gonna go in the restroom and see how I look with this on, because I don't even know how I look with this on. But yeah. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm so tired. Thank you. Good morning. Can I get... Yes, it is. Alright, so we making some steaks. I ain't gonna lie, the steak probably went bad because I didn't put it in my freezer. That's cool. Hopefully I don't get sick. No char at all. But it's cool. So yeah, y'all, we just literally, I'm taking my 30-minute, I ain't gonna lie, how I've been feeling as a truck driver, I've been actually motivated. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've been really motivated because I have some plans, I have some things to tell y'all at the end of this month. And hopefully, if God said the same, we're gonna be doing what I said we was gonna do. We're gonna let this food cook, and then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna chill, and yeah. Y'all, so this is dinner. Well, this is lunch. Dinner. We got steak with green beans and jalapenos, and yeah, we're about to eat this, and yeah. All right, y'all, we finished with this first stop. We in South Carolina, and we're about to pull off. Now we're going to Virginia. We gotta pick up a load in Savannah, Georgia, and then yeah, so that's what we got going on right now. About this. Y'all, it's raining. Look at this. Literally raining. It's storming outside. I don't know what we're gonna do. Y'all, it's raining, but I do think there's something wrong with my hood is smoking like crazy. I don't know if y'all can see, but right there it's smoking. So I'm about to get over here, see real quick what's going on. Also, my locking pin won't release, but you about to see. It's like smoking real bad. Tell, look at that smoke coming from over here, the front. All this is, I just got my truck maintenance, so I shouldn't have no problems. But I'm guessing it's coming from that. I'm not really sure though. So yeah, so my tandem, my fifth wheel has been tripping, so just see. Shit. System. Y'all see that strap? We're gonna take that strap, we're gonna tie it to this other trailer, and we're gonna try to push forward. I actually need to go get that fixed because that's a big problem, and I cannot be running like this. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the little contraption. I'm gonna pull that, connect it to that trailer, and yeah, it's crazy, but yeah, y'all, it's crazy out here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something, and you gotta be resourceful, and you gotta figure out a way to get the problem done. So yeah.